एवरीवन, अचीवर्स ऑलवेज विन चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम शुरू करते हैं 9th स्टैंडर्ड पार्ट 1 टॉपिक नंबर फर्स्ट सेट्स। शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, और जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब किया है उनका धन्यवाद। तो शुरू करते हैं मैथ्स पार्ट 1 टॉपिक नंबर फर्स्ट सेट्स। सेट स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर एंड प्राइम नंबर्स पता है। नेचुरल नंबर्स इज डिनोटेड बाय n. Natural numbers denoted by n, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Integers are plus minus, positive, negative, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, ... last 97 from 1 to 100. There are total 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100, starting from 2 end with 97. Total numbers are 25, and from that 25 numbers only 2 is the even prime numbers. Only 1 is even prime number, 2 is prime numbers. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं सेट्स। सेट्स मीन्स द कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स इज कॉल्ड द सेट्स। मीन्स आप जो एलिमेंट्स और मेंबर्स फाइंड करते हो वो वेल डिफाइंड होने चाहिए। वेल डिफाइंड मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स। द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स कौन से? वी नो द नेचुरल नंबर्स 1, 2, 3, 4. And find out the odd natural numbers. Which are the odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. All students write the same numbers. Means that collection is well defined. So it is called the set. Okay. So first definition of set. Definition. The collection of well defined objects is called sets. Okay. Example. First example, collection of odd natural numbers Then second example. Which is the second example? Collection of girls in 9th class. It is also example of set. Again, third example. Collection of even prime numbers. Which is the even prime number? 2 is only one even prime numbers. All collection is same, so it is the set. That are the examples of set. Then how can you write the set? Some points remember to the first. Set is represented by capital letter A, B, C, D and so on. And members of that set or elements of that set is represented by the small letters. Elements of set is denoted by small letters A, B, C, D, so on. First is set is represented by capital letter and elements of set is denoted by small letters. And write the elements in set in closed bracket. That bracket is called curly bracket. That bracket is called curly bracket. Write the all elements in curly bracket. Some points related to the set. First we know the definition and that 3 points. Every set is represented by capital letters. Element of that set is represented by small letters, and write set in close the bracket. That bracket is called curly bracket. Then next point, if A is the element of set A. If A is element of set A, then how can you write this in symbolically? So write this A, use this symbol and write here A. Meaning is A is element of set A and that symbol is called belongs to. Belongs to. Meaning is A is element of set A, or A is the member of set A, or A belongs to A. Second, if B is not element of set A, then how can you write this? Which element? B is the not element of which set? A. That symbol means element, and if we write this line, then we say that it is not element of set A, means this symbol does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. Understood of first and second point? This sign used for element and this sign used for not element. Okay. Then next point, some methods of set. There are 2 methods. First one is listing method and second one is rule method. Listing method, it is also called as roster method, and second method, rule method, it is second name set builder form. Methods of set. There are 2 methods. First method is listing method, and second one is rule method, or second name set builder form. And here second name is roster method. Definition of this method is in that word listing, means you write the list. First point here, first we write the name of set. Name of set A, B, C or anyone. Then second point, put equal to sign. Put which sign? Equal to sign. Then third point, every element separated by comma. Every element separated by comma, and if we complete the set, we close with curly bracket. Okay, that points are, remember, name of set by capital letters, put equal to sign, every element represented by comma, and fourth point, repetition not allowed. Only one repetition is not allowed. every element in one time. Only once you write each element. Only one time. That points related to listing method. Okay. Then next, rule method. Rule method means here we write the property. First we find some property related to the given statement. Then we start the set, starting from curly bracket, we write this line. This line is called vertical line. And meaning of this line is such that. Meaning of this line is such that. And same some rule or some property is right. First method is listing method, second one is rule method. So first we see listing method. One of the example for this. First, listing method. Example. Set of natural numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Then we write the answer. For which method we write? Listing method. So we know the numbers from 1 to 10 natural numbers. We know that. Then first here we write natural number set, and natural number is denoted by n. First we write the name of the set. Then we put which sign? Equal to sign. Then curly bracket. Set of natural numbers from 1 to 10. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here we close the curly bracket. Example, set of natural numbers from 1 to 10, and you write this set from which method? Listing method. We write the list from natural numbers 1 to 10. Every element after comma 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Okay. Then second example. Set of natural numbers from 51 to 60. Set of natural numbers from 51 to 60. Again we denote, natural numbers is denoted by n. Curly bracket. Then we starting from which numbers? Starting from 51. 51, 52, 53, and here we write dotted line and ending with 60, and here curly bracket closed. Okay. Then one more example. Third example. Set of all even prime numbers set of all even prime numbers. Answer. Prime numbers is denoted by which letter? P, and we know that 2 is only one even prime number, so only we write here number 2 and curly bracket close. Okay, understood about listing method. Okay. Example number 4. Set of days of the week. We know how many days in a week? There are 7 days. So we write here days of the week. We denote by any letter. Suppose A. A is equal to, which is the first day? Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Here curly bracket closed. Also we write the set of months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. We write the name of that months, 12 months, and close the curly bracket. Then next method is rule method. See second method, rule method. Rule method, for example, here we have given some numbers. A is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Curly bracket complete. Then which type of these numbers? That numbers are natural numbers and odd natural numbers. So we write this set in which method? Rule method. A is equal to, in curly bracket, x such that x is odd natural number less than 10. Odd natural number less than 10. Okay. Similarly, we write second example. P is equal to, in curly bracket, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So how can you write this set in rule method? Which rule we found from that? So P is equal to x such that x, or any variable y such that y, or x such that x is set of which type of these numbers? Prime numbers. Is the set of prime numbers less than which? Less than 15, and curly bracket complete. Okay. Understood about listing method, and second one is rule method.